Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry key battery. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR 2016 coin battery, and of course, your Toyota Camry key fob. Having a clean, well-lit area is also helpful to ensure you do not misplace any tiny components. This entire process is quite straightforward and should take you less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's open up your key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components and the battery compartment. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR 2016 coin battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Finally, it is time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Walk over to your Toyota Camry and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure everything is working perfectly. You have successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.